Balloons?
They're, they're babies. Kinda cute. They, blap. Okie dokie. Well, thanks anyway. Bye. Hello, this is Pollie calling, and my son found...